Standard product SOLIDWORKS. In design library, in document assembly, toolbox, and adding now after loading library. Select desired system. Inch, ANSI inch. Select maybe some nuts or pins or another standard product, maybe some bolts, countersunk head, and beside the bolt press and hold the left mouse button, drag on the operation of assembly and release the field. Wait a moment to download configure component. Do config, maybe some thread display, simple field, change length, and click OK to create. Cancel insert components.